Hey, what's going on, traders? Friday, April 14th, 9:20 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. Right at it on a Friday, guys. Yesterday was trendy, trend up. We talked about how in the morning ideas yesterday, let me make yesterday bigger. We talked about yesterday how it wasn't very good news that the quote unquote good news did not push the market up. And then what did we do? Like the market usually does, it made a fool out of us and went straight up all day yesterday. Putting the VPOC, this is what I look for on trend updates, just no consensus on price, VPOC all the way at the highs, and then we balance overnight at the highs. Usually in situations like this, the more likely scenario is we move higher, okay, into the next session, or we continue to range or balance. We may even dip lower before we push higher, but the more likely scenario after a strong push like this is some kind of a consolidation, maybe even a pullback, but then some continuation higher. So that's what we're focused on here, because where does this put us? This puts us basically right back. We came to 41.75, which is right back to the top in the really big area here that we've been looking at forever. 41.75 brings us right here. You see this big red line? That's 41.75, and we keep knocking on the door. So what happens again in these scenarios more likely is people think that, oh, the market can't get above. The market can't get above. It's strong resistance. No, it's knocking on the door, and finally the door breaks down, and we squeeze all of the shorts out, and we start to push higher. And then we'll usually pull back and then continue, and either continue higher or we fail back into the range, and then we do the whole thing over again. We come into the middle, chop around, try the other end of the range, bang on the door a couple times down here, push through, pull back, either continue or fall back into the range, and we do it all over again and again. And the markets auction like this over and over again. I mean, you could pull up Apple, you could pull up and just watch the way these things auction. Pull up Apple, anything, Nasdaq, they all auction the same way. It's, you get these pushes out of balance. We push back in, we test, we either continue lower or we fall back in the range. We come in the range, we chop around, we move higher. We'll probably come back and test the range and either move higher or fall back into the range. And we do it over and over again. And this, again, is the Apple stock. So this is why I like volume profile. The way it's not a trading system. It organizes a bunch of information quickly. Okay, if I can organize the information, I can see what we're trying to do. Then I can move in on my execution and go, okay, big picture looks like this. Yesterday we did that. Where are we right now? This is what the market is likely to do. And I take one central trade idea of the day, and that's it, right? I don't play around with, trying to find 50 different executions in a day, any of that. All right. So that's what the market's looking like here, guys. I'm looking for another push. Probably a consolidation and then a push higher. The volume is pretty good overnight. We don't really have any news to worry about today. Some unemployment claims that happened at 8:30 didn't do anything to the market. Okay, that's it for me, guys. Last day to get in. Last couple days to get into the meme challenge for the week. Been having a lot of fun with that, and also all about Pro Plus. You can find out about it on the YouTube channel. So we'll see you guys soon. Keep on making sure that you're watching your risk. Okay, guys, talk to you later.